Okay, so we're looking at this particular question here. Find the equation of the tangent to that function at that point. So, alarm bells start ringing. When I start going is I go, aha, it's tangent. Okay, so when I see the word tangent, what I do is I say to myself, right, differentiate. So I often write a little note to myself like that. Okay, I'm also going to do this at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to write y equals mx plus c. So I remember to actually write the answer. Okay, because that's a tangent is that equation. Okay. So, first thing I'm going to do is differentiate. Well, I can differentiate that. I don't think that's particularly difficult. dy by dx equals, what is this? 3x squared minus, what was it, 8x?
Yeah.
8x plus 3. Okay, now I've differentiated it. Okay, and what's x? How do I know what x is? Right, that's right, because in the question it says 1, 1, doesn't it? So because it's got that little 1, 1 there, that means x is 1 and y is 1. So I'm now saying, so x is 1. So the gradient is 3 lots of 1 squared minus 8 lots of 1 plus 3. So what's that? That's 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 2. So the gradient is negative 2. Okay? Now if you can get that far, that's achieved. Alright, so even if you can't answer the question, because it said the equation of a tangent, you knew you had to differentiate, and the x value is 1. Okay? Now moving on a little bit. So I've now got the gradient is negative 2. And now I'm going to try and get my merit bit. Y equals mx plus c. Okay, we now know that m is negative 2 plus c. And the nice thing is that I know from that little bit of information 1, 1, that when x is 1, y is 1. So I can now write 1 equals negative 2 lots of 1 plus c. So 1 equals negative 2 plus 3. Is that right? So c must be 3. So now I can write my answer. Y equals negative 2x plus 3. And that's the answer to the question. And that's my merit mark. And I wanted to do this in 2 sections for you so you understood that if you can find out just that the gradient's negative 2, you get an achieve mark. And then if you can use that to find out the whole equation, you get a merit mark. Okay?
Yeah, see, it's
1, 1, yeah.
Which one is?
Okay, here is my patented way. I'm not going to stop recording because it's rude.